वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं. And today I am going to show you all again our Goan Sukkyo Tisreo or Goan Tisreo Sukkyo. So clams, and that is sukha, and this I had kept few hours in the fridge, and then I just put some water and it's open. So like this only you have to open all this. Either you do this way, and see this sides, if you don't remove, then it can come in your dish. So this is the only thing in Tisreos. Not all, like in a restaurant and all, they don't do, and then when you are eating, then you get that sound because it is again shell. तर हे जावन आसा जे जेन्ना आमी रांदता तेन्ना हें चापता तेन्ना मागीर बरें लागना. तर हें जाता जाल्यार काडात, बाकी कांय ना. हेका पूण आसा. जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शो यू. हे शिपयेचें तें ओके. वी विल क्लीन ऑल दिस. वेरी सिंपल एंड easy to clean this Tisreos. वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचे तिसऱ्यांच्यो कडी. सो ह्यो जावन आसा अरावंड 12 तिसऱ्यो. इट्स लायक क्वार्टर kg. ओके. सो आय एम गोइंग टू मेक नाव curry out of this clams, Goan curry. For that we need 1 small whole coconut, fresh grated coconut, 1 small ball of tamarind, 3 green chilies, 1 onion. Then these are our Goan chilies, that is 7 to 8 chilies. They are spicy one, so 7 to 8. 1 teaspoon of peppercorn for this, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, and 2 tablespoon of coriander powder I am using, and this is raw turmeric I am using. So this all we have to grind to fine paste. I will be adding 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Okay. Then we need, while we are going to mix along with the masala, so I am adding 2 mango dried seed and 2 chilies and 1 onion. So let's start. Let now 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Wait. Half teaspoon of ginger. Let's grind this to a fine paste. Now let's add this to the vessel. So this curry is without oil. So these are asa kodi tela bobar. Most of Goan, mostly Goan curries is without oil, mostly. Then we will apply some salt to this onions. Salt for the onions. Just mussel this over here. Add salt to the curry. Then we will add our chilies. Water accordingly. And we'll keep this for cooking. We'll cover and cook this around 10 minutes on medium flame. Let the onion cook nicely and then our curry is done. I'll add few petals of our Goan Solla, that is our kokum petals, and I will add little bit of our tefa, that is Indian Shezwan. Few, it's optional, these two things, but the curry tastes nice. And after 10 minutes the curry is done. The onion is cooked, the tisreos are cooked. I hope you all will enjoy this curry, that is Goan Tisryanche curry. Yummy and delicious with our ambo, and then binna sola, then this is amyacho paddo and our tefa. Yummy combination, delicious. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही सगळ्यांक आवडटली आनी ही तुमी करून खातली. Thank you. Goan curry, lovely. Thank you.
And here it is, lovely, tasty and yummy Goan Tisreo curry. Thank you.